Hey everyone, this is Gerald C. Apostol. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 mathematics questions that may serve as your reviewer or reference for the upcoming civil service examination. But before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. So start na natin. Question number 1. Evaluate the expression 3 plus 2 times the quantity 2 plus 3 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. Pwede nyong i-post yung video para mag-solve and then after that, let us check kung parehas ba tayo ng sagot or kung tama ba yung sagot ninyo. So, let us start. This is what we call order of operations. So, may tinatawag tayong PEMDAS. So, we have parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, ang unahin natin dito, the parenthesis. So, we have this. So, you have 3 plus 2 times 6. Sorry, not 6. 5. 5. 5. Minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. And then after that, since wala naman tayong exponents, uunahin muna natin tong 2 times 5 dito. So, we will have 3 plus 10 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2. The question here is, bakit hindi natin ginalaw yung operation na multiplication dito? The answer there is kasi magkasunod sila ni division and multiplication. Sa PEMDAS na to, may tinatawag tayong left to right rule. Okay? Pag magkasunod si division and multiplication, inuuna natin yung pares na nasa left. So, sa case na to, we are not going to perform the multiplication here first. So, ang unahin natin ipa-perform is si division. Kasi, mas nauna si division kaysa kay multiplication. So, let us proceed. So, we have 3. Let us change the color. 3 plus 10 minus 9 divided by 3 will be 3 times 2. And then, let us proceed with the multiplication. So, we have 3 plus 10 minus 6. And then, we have 3 plus 10, we have 13 minus 6. So, we will have 7. 7 is our answer. Next question. So, question number 2. What is the value of 2xy divided by z cubed if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to negative 1? So, let us write it. We have 2xy divided by z raised to cube. So, yan. It is just a matter of substitution. We're going to substitute the value of x, y, and negative 1 doon sa expression. So, we will have 2 times the value of x will be 2 times the value of y. We have 3. And then all over the value of z, which is negative 1. And then simplify. We have 2 times 2 times 3 will be 12 divided by negative 1. So we will have negative 12 divided by negative 1 is equal to negative 12. So our answer will be negative 12. Okay, next. Question number 3. Find the product of x plus 1 and x plus y plus 1. So we are going to write x plus y plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay? We're going to distribute positive itong 1 doon. Multiply 1 times 1 will be 1, and then 1 times y, and then we have 1 times x. So we will have 1 times 1, yun, positive. 1 times y, ito, y, and then 1 times x. Next, we're going to distribute yung x naman. So x times 1, that will be x. Itapat natin doon sa parehas niya. Para pag pinag-add natin mamaya, hindi na natin siya i-arrange. X times y, we have xy, wala kasing kapareho. And then we have x times x squared. So we're going to add positive 1 plus y plus 2x plus xy plus x squared. So our answer will be x squared plus xy plus 2x plus y plus 1. Sorry about this. Yan. This will be our final answer. Okay, next question. We have question number 4. Find the roots of x squared plus 4x plus 9. So we are going to use the quadratic formula. Positive, negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we're going to get the values of a, b, and c. So ang values ng a, b, and c natin, makukuha natin dun sa given. So yung a natin, yun yung numerical coefficient of the quadratic term. So ito yun, yung numerical coefficient ng x squared, which is 1. Yun yung a. Yung numerical coefficient naman ng linear term, yun yung b. So b. So we have 4. And then the constant is letter c, y. So we're going to use those letters, and then we're going to substitute. So you have negative 4, positive negative square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 all over 2 times 1. Then we're going to simplify. So we have negative 4, positive negative square root of 16 minus 36 all over 2. And then let us simplify. So you have negative 4, positive negative square root of 16 minus 36 is 20, negative 20 over 2. So we will have negative 4, positive negative. Square root of 20 is also equivalent with 2i square root of 5 all over 2. So bakit naging ganito to? Kasi square root of negative 20 is also equivalent with square root of negative 1 times 4 times 5. Square root of negative 1 is I. Square root of 4 is 2. And then wala namang square root of 5. Well, hindi perfect. So you have yan. And then 2 times I is 2i, and then square root of 5. So yan yung reason. I'm gonna erase everything here. So as you can see, divisible sila divisible sa 2 ito, divisible sa 2 at ito. So we're going to simplify. So we will have negative 2, positive negative I square root of 5. So this is our answer. Okay, next question. We have question number 5. Find the product of the roots of 37x squared, 873x plus 1476. So as we can see, as we can remember, yung quadratic expression natin, or of ax squared plus bx plus c. And then if you're going to rewrite this, na ang value ng x squared, ang numerical coefficient ng x squared natin ay 1, so magiging x squared plus b over a x plus c over a. At ang tawag dito sa part na to, this is the product. Product yan ng roots. Tapos ito naman, this is what we call the negative ng sum ng roots natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, we have 37x squared plus 873x plus 1476. Kung gagawin natin, we are going to divide all the terms by 37 para maging over 37 para makancel natin yun. And then this will be the product of the roots. We have 1476 over 37. Or we have 39 and 33 over 37. So this will be the product of our roots. So that's all. That's all for this video. So again, this is Mr. Gerald Apostol. Thank you.